Hello, happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alekia Kanojo. So let's get started with our video. Hairstyle number 1, French braid. In this I'm sectioning my hair from the front towards my crown area and dividing that from rest of my hair. And now to this section of my hair, dividing it into 3 equal hair strands, that is left, middle and right. Make sure you don't have any tangles. Yes. Now just take some of your hair from the right side and add it to your right hair strand and put that in the middle. Yes. And take some of your hair from the left side and add it to your left hair strand and put that in the middle, like so. Some of your hair from the right side, adding it to your right hair strand, putting that in the middle. The same thing continues. Don't mess it up by doing it too fast. Do it slowly. You will get it. Practice, practice, practice. So when you reach to this point, it's regular 3-strand braid. Make sure you hold those hair strands tight. Yeah, when you're done, tie an elastic, and I'm just pulling my hair so that it looks thick and also beautiful. So you can instantly find the difference. So I'm just making sure the front section of my hair looks neat and nice. Hairstyle number 2, twist loop low ponytail. In this I'm just sectioning my hair from the front towards my crown area and just securing it with some bobby pins or regular pins, anything works. And yeah, I'm putting a low ponytail with an elastic like so, and loosening it so that I can make a loop in the middle and put rest of your hair into that loop and pull it from below. Yes, and make sure it's a bit tight from inside and just pull your hair from below. And yeah, that's all, you're done. So I'm just putting some stone rubber band, and that's beautiful. Look at it, so beautiful. Hairstyle number 3, it's half updo with hair scarf. I'm just folding my hair scarf like so, and what I simply did was just section my hair from my ears towards my crown area and tied it with an elastic and just giving a knot with my hair scarf to that cute little half updo. And there you go, it's so simple, easy and beautiful. Hairstyle number 4, bow half updo. So basically I'm just sectioning my hair from the front towards my crown area and separating it from rest of my hair and tying it with an elastic. And now what I'm doing is, in this ponytail, dividing it into 2 sections, and to the first section I am just tying an elastic with a distance. So when you're done tying an elastic, now you got to make a loop in the middle as shown and take this hair from bottom and over. And now from the loop, take the second section of your hair and over, like that. When you're done doing this, push this twisted hair from bottom to top. Yeah, there you go, you'll get your bow, cute little bow. Yes, just pull some of your hair from the bow and tighten it from the bottom, and now just secure it with some pins as shown. making sure the front section of my hair is neat and nice. And yeah, the bow is ready. Wanted to add some detailing, so just adding this cute little rose in the middle, and there you go, it's so cute. Hairstyle number 5, French braid with hair scarf. Basically sectioning my hair from the front towards my crown area and dividing that into 3 equal sections, that is left, center and right. So now take your hair scarf, put that in the middle so that it gets the left hair strand and right hair strand. Now take some of your hair from the left side and add it to your left hair strand and put that in the middle. And take some of your hair from the right side, add it to your right hair strand, put that in the middle, and keep repeating. It's same as French. And now when you come to an end, it's regular 3-strand braid, and the color in the middle is just amazing. It's so beautiful. Now just tie it with an elastic like so, and yeah, it's cute. Just pulling the hair scarf so that it pops a little, and just tying a knot in the end. There you go. It's so cute, beautiful. And if you feel it's a bit loose, just put some hairpins. Hairstyle number 6, low bun with side braid. So basically what I'm doing here is sectioning my hair into 2 equal halves and clipping away the top section of my hair for a while. And now let's work with the bottom section of our hair. Now dividing this into 2 equal halves and making 2 little buns. So yeah, to one of your sections, twist and then make a bun as shown. And now secure it with an hair elastic. Make sure you secure it tight. And now just pull some of your hair, and the same thing repeats on the other side of your hair. Twist, make a bun, secure it with an hair elastic, and the same thing, pull your hair. And now open the top section of your hair and give a side partition from the front, something like this, and take the huge part of your hair and yeah, just make something like this and put it back. Make sure you keep this hair around those 2 buns as shown and secure it with some hairpins. Coming back to the other section of my hair, giving a regular 3-strand braid to the top section of my hair as shown. Secure it with an hair elastic, and now getting to this bottom section, doing the same thing, just putting it a little back like that and putting it around those 2 cute little buns as shown, and secure it properly with a hairpin. You need more actually, secure it with more pins. And now bring this 3-strand braid back around the 2 buns and secure it with many pins. and make sure you pull some of your hair from the bun and also from the braid so that it looks thick. And in the front, just make sure everything is neat and nice. And there you go, the cute little low bun with side braid is ready. Hairstyle number 7, just parting my hair in a zigzag shape because we got to make buns on both the sides. And now to one of the sections, just clip it away with a hair clip or whatever, just clip it away. And you just got to make a regular bun, so twist it, roll it around and tie it with an elastic. But this really wasn't working to me, so I used a technique here, and that is how, yeah, this is how I used. So make a ponytail thing and make sure the hair doesn't come in between. Yeah, and now you got to make a loop like that and put this hair around the loop and secure it with hairpins. So you got to do the same thing on the other side as well. Yeah, take some of your hair and make a ponytail and secure it with hair elastic like shown. And when you come to the last hair elastic, make a loop there and put the hair around and secure it with hairpins, not with a hair tie. And ta-da, it's ready. Hairstyle number 8, regular 3-strand braid with hair scarf. So basically put that hair scarf in the middle so that it gets into left and right strands of your hair, and keep braiding like shown. And in the end, just tie it with an elastic and give a knot with the hair scarf, and make sure the front section of your hair is neat and nice. Yes, secure it with some pins if required, and ta-da, it's ready, quick and easy. Hope you like this video, so do not forget to like, share, comment and also subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. I'll link you.